on, guys? Kenneth the Reed here. Guys, I'm glad you're learning my video. Today, I'm going to talk about the benefits of, creating financial freedom and a step-by-step game plan to do so. What I find is that a lot of people want to get out of debt. They want to create wealth, but they don't have a step-by-step game plan. Now, if you have the game plan, you also need someone to help you and walk you through it step by step. This is what we have here with MWR Financial. Guys, a step-by-step game plan. Now, I have a passion for helping people get out of debt, build wealth, but when you have professionals that take you by the hand and walk you step by step to financial freedom, guys, that's just, incredible, because they don't say, hey, we're going to teach you how to fix your taxes. We're going to teach you how to fix your credit. No, we don't want to leave that to chance. MWR Financial puts that into the professional's hand where they walk you through step by step. So you have dates on when you become debt free. You have dates when you become a $100,000-aire, when you become a $250,000-millionaire, when you become a $500,000-millionaire, when you become a millionaire. You have dates. All you got to do is follow the plan, right? So really quick, I'm going to share with you just some of the things here at MWR Financial, what they offer, right? Now, I love this because, again, I have a passion for helping people. I love this. I've created great wealth in my life. I'm very appreciative to what I've gone through. But if I had at the beginning someone to just walk me through, hold my hand, and not have to go through all this learning curve of having to learn all this different stuff, having to go through the ups and the woes and all this kind of stuff. Been there, done that. But you don't have to, because you're on this video watching right now. If you take advantage of what we're sharing right here, guys, this can benefit you in a major, major way. No more guesswork. Things like major tax deductions, folks. You get the tax bot where you're able to track and document. See, these are very important things when you can just call up the tax professional, upload your information, and you talk to the professional. They tell you, by looking at your situation, what you need to do next. If they can get you an instant pay raise, they print up the information for your W-4 and you take it to your HR, boom, you can get an instant pay raise, right? How to take advantage of major tax deductions. They're going to walk you through that. Is that powerful, right? And you have a hotline that you can call with any questions about your taxes. That's available with the membership. Now, the membership is only $79.97, folks, a month. That's it. But when you think about that, the money that you're going to be saving and your game plan to create wealth, and you start to see this happening, guys, you're going to get very excited. And you may want to share it. So you might want to upgrade and become an agent with our company and really share it like I'm sharing it here with you. That's all I do. I'm not here to twist your arm, to sell you on saving money. If you want to keep spending money and keep going in circles, people want to do that. That's their prerogative. I'm only here to help the ones that want the help. You can't say the wrong thing to the right person, right? So you may be that right person. Say, you know what, Kenneth? I'm tired of going through it, this financial roller coaster. I want the help. I want someone to hold my hand and walk me through step by step from saving money, making money, and growing that money. Okay? Save, make, and grow the money. Step by step. So let's continue. So, bill negotiation. If you're paying existing bills, have our professionals, negotiators, do the work for you. Hand the bills over to them. They can go and negotiate and lower your existing bills. I'm just saying, that makes sense, right? Debt elimination. Guys, understand, this is one of the most major things you have to do. You got to get out of debt. See, most of the time you're putting money on those credit cards and things of that nature, guys. You don't understand how you're digging a deeper and deeper hole. Your greatest wealth building tool is what? Your income. That's your greatest wealth building tool. If you're in debt, guys, you continue to be in debt, you can't build the wealth. You got to flip that equation. Why do you think credit cards are the most marketed tool out there? They market like crazy. Why do you think you go to any major city and the banks have the biggest buildings? If that's a coincidence, you want to flip the equation, where now you start receiving the interest, which we'll talk about here in a little bit, where interest starts coming to you as opposed to you paying interest. So we got to get you out of debt. So we set you up on a step-by-step program. The professionals do this for you. You give them all your bills. They tell you what you need to pay. Spit that out every month. Pay this, pay that. This is what you need to pay. And when you follow that plan, you have a date when you become debt free. And oh my goodness, here we go. When you have income now, well, your money's not seeking out the front door, going to creditors. Now you have money coming into your household and it stays in your household. What can you do with that? That's when we walk to the next steps, right? So getting out of debt major. Credit restoration. Now, you turn it over to the professionals. They're going to help you get your credit to the highest point, right? Now, this is not to get your credit score high and so you can get into more debt. This is to build a credit score so now you can lower some of the interest rates on those bills that you're paying, right? And again, the professionals help you with all this. You don't have to try to be the guru, right? And so they're going to help you get that credit score up. So if they get that credit score up, guys, you lower those existing interest rates that are high. And that helps you pay off debt faster because we don't want to go into debt ever, right? We don't borrow. That's my motto. I never borrow. Everything I do, if I can't pay cash, that means I can't afford it. Delayed gratification. But you'll be surprised when you're out of there, you got cash flow. You can accelerate the process and get those things that you really want, like buying a new house. We'll talk about that here in a little bit. And paying for it cash. What would that be like? Guys, when you're out of debt, it's amazing. How about paying your home off in 7 to 10 years as opposed to 30 years? We show you how to do that, folks. This is not rocket science. It's just you need someone to help you and walk you through this process. We do it here at MWR Financial. Wealth accumulation, private reserve banking. Guys, this is huge. You're going to learn the different strategies that the wealthy use where you can have money bearing interest. This is our next phase, that phase of growth. Now you get everything together, get your credit, you get your taxes, get your bills lowered, you get your game plan, and you start generating the wealth. Now you get to this point where you start investing in safe investments, right? That's what it's self-banking. It's right there for you. Then we have land banking. See, you can get into these investments now because you got cash. Cash is king. And you can put into these investments where your money starts to multiply in spite of you. See, that's the key. You want your money work for you as opposed to you work for the money. How long have you worked for the money? Do you think that just ends? No, you need a game plan to help you get away from that situation, to change the whole narrative. Okay? Then we get to the next thing they just launched, guys. This is so huge. Real estate. Think about being able to flip homes and you don't have to do the work. The professionals do all that. Well, you can rake in a 20% return 3 to 6 months. Right? And then when the home is sold, you split that 5% with other investors. How about that? You can do this over and over again. But we got to get you right first. Got to get the credit right. We got to get the tax right. Got to get all that right first before we get into this wealth stage. See, it's a process. You see? And so this is how it's done, folks. No get rich quick. Stop that. Stop that. All this, everyone's trying to get rich quick. They never do. It's like, that's lottery. What are your chances of that? You want a step-by-step plan that walks you through gradually, and eventually you get to your destination. You want all this get rich quick where you never get to the destination. You don't want that, right? You've done that long enough. You want results where you have a predictable outcome. You know, if I follow this plan, I'm going to be there, period. And I can pass this down to future generations. How about that? Well, now you can get into the real estate game where you can sell, flip homes, and the professionals do all the work, and you get the return. How powerful is that? Guys, that's amazing. So again, it's all step by step. You know, I love my favorite story, the hare and the tortoise. The hare, trying to get that quick, get rich quick. Didn't get there. Tortoise, slowly but surely, he gets there. That's it. So if you want a step-by-step game plan, what you want to do, guys, is visit my website right there on the screen. Visit that website. Now, the membership is only $79.79. That's for the membership. But if you want to make money, well, we show you how to become a business owner to take advantage of major tax deductions. It's only $228 to get started, folks. $119 a month. And we'll show you how to, if you get 3 customers, how to have the $79.97 waived. As long as you have 3 customers, you don't have to pay that again. We show you how to do that. But what you want to do now is get started today on your financial makeover. Your financial makeover. Because once your financial makeover begins, you get excited about it. Because now you see, wow, it's really working. I can pinpoint exactly when I'll be out of debt. I can predict exactly when I become a millionaire. Guys, you get excited. And you want to share that with folks. And when you do that here at MWR Financial, you start to generate more income. Wow. Unbelievable. So, guys, didn't want to take up too much of your time. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, okay, if you want more informative information about building wealth, getting out of debt, saving money. This is what I do. And I do it all from the comfort of my home. I love helping people. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video. If you know someone that may needs this information, feel free to share it. I appreciate that. Okay? So, if you need to pick up the phone to call me, there's my number on the screen. Pick up the phone, I'm a real person. Call me. Get your questions answered. Let's get you going on your road to wealth. And with that, guys, this is Kenneth Reed signing out. And I'll see you at the top, not from the top. Because you, and I do mean you, deserve the best. Take care. God bless.